Hey, what's up, champions? Gediminas here. Hope you guys are doing fantastically well. Welcome to Financial Freedom TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to never run out of ideas for your posts, videos, stories, reels, TikToks, and so on, right? If you're building your business on social media, you probably want to start creating valuable content. You want to be creating videos and posts that are interesting, that will attract more people to you, which will then cause you to have more customers, more team members, etc., right? But sometimes coming up with an idea of what to talk about or what to do a video about or what to write in a post can be quite challenging, isn't it? Do you ever have those days when your mind is just empty, like you just can't come up with what to write or what to talk about on a video? Well, I know I have times like that, but there's a very cool tip and an easy strategy that you can apply in order to have plenty of ideas to talk about in your posts, videos, stories, reels, etc. And probably because you are in a home-based business, you're doing some personal development, right? And the chances are you're probably reading books, right? Most people say leaders are readers, right? So you probably have books that you read, about personal development, about leadership, about business, about social media, about this, that, and the other, right? Now, you can just read the book and that's it, but you can really take advantage of when you're reading the books to actually have plenty of things to talk about. So next time when you're reading a book, obviously read it with either a highlighter or just a pen. And when you found a good idea, right, you find a good idea and you think, I could actually talk about this idea in my live. What you do, you grab a pen or a marker pen, and you highlight or underline that idea, right? And then you check which page it was. Okay, it was on page 82. And then you go back to the front, and on the front cover, you write down page 82 and write the topic. What was the idea about, right? So this way, by the time you're finished reading the book, you're going to have maybe 5, 6, 10, maybe 15 different ideas for topics that you could talk about. So the next time when you out of ideas, like you don't know what to talk about on a video, you don't know what to write a post about, you go to your bookshelf, you grab the first book out, you open it up and you go, okay, page this, topic like that, page this, etc. So you can quickly come up with ideas to talk about, right? That's the strategy I use. And also obviously notebooks, right? Whenever you're listening to a training or watching a training or attending a conference or whatever, always take notes in a notebook, right? And what I usually do, I make stars next to the things, right? So if I see a good idea, it's a bit bright here today, right? If I see a good idea, I'll make a star. I'll make a star next to that bit of information so that if I want to do a video, I can quickly open my notebook and I just look for the stars. I see a star. Oh, I could talk about that in a video. Oh, I could write a post about this, right? So it's so easy. Even this video is a little post with a star from a training I attended yesterday, right? So very quickly, you can come up with ideas without having to break your head, and go, oh my gosh, what should I talk about or what should I write about, etc. Super easy, super simple, will make your life easier, and you will be able to create more posts, more videos, more stories, more reels very fast. So that's the tip for today, my friends. If you got value from this video, please do me a massive favor and share this video and drop shared in the comments. I will appreciate that a lot. And of course, if you are not in network marketing yet and you'd like to create a passive stream of income and you'd like to find out what is it that I do, working from home, then drop me a private message. I'll be more than happy to share with you what is it that we do and how you could do the same thing. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.